Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. Yeah, today I'm show you the ones that's best project and listing in the Binance AOD, right? And today, yeah, you see on the first page in CoinMarketCap, or you see the first page in the crypto bubble, yeah, the crypto is start increase again, right? And now that's number one, SIG, you have RP and Wood and BCH and BSP, yes, and HOD or SNH and IJJ, right? And now this number one is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB. Yeah, you see on the first page in Coins Market Cap. So now the Bitcoin start increase more than $10,000 per one Bitcoin it already. That means Bitcoin, yeah, 5 ways one day, right? It's sideways one day. On yesterday, I think that it start increase. Yeah, and yesterday and 2 days and 3 days later, I think that Bitcoin will go to hit around the $31,000 again, right? And when it hit go to the 31 or 32 plus one BTCs again, the altcoin, right? The altcoins will go to hit around the 10 or 20%. Yeah, like the Bitcoin on 1 week, yeah, and the Ethereum 1 week, yeah, and the Ripple 1 week, yeah, it increased around the 10 or 20% it already, yeah, and some altcoin can increase to 20 or 30%, yeah. And today I'm show you one the best crypto and very interesting in the coin market cap and in listing on the Binance it already, yeah, right? Yeah, that's near protocol. Yes, near protocol. This is the long term listing on the market, right? Near protocol listing on the market 2020, right? Listing on the market 2020 with price 1.20, right? 1.20, and then it go hit to $20 plus one near coin on 2022. Yeah, only 2 days the holder can get the big profit, yeah, around the 2000%, right? 2000% plus one near coin. If you buy when the near coin listing on the market, you have 0.60 and then go to hit the 1.20, yeah, and at a higher price on the 2022, $20 plus one near coin, yeah. And now, yeah, now after they go to hit around the 20 or 16 plus one near coin and go down to $1.20 again. That means if you overlook near coin on the 2020, or that means if you miss, yeah, if you miss this project on 2020 and you buy on, you start holding with the 1.20s again on 2023, yeah, you are early, right? You are early with the near protocol, very early, because if you compare to the 2020 and until to the 2023, you have 3 year, 3 year you can buy it early with the big projects like that, right? And you can see on the Binance, yeah, when the near protocol is listing on the Binance, yeah, the price is very low, 0.40 and 4 BTC, yeah, and then it go to hit the 0.30 and 1, yeah, it go down again to 0.40 and 5. That means this is the first bottom and this is the second bottom, right? The second bottom is 0.40 and 5 and go to hit the 0.30 and 4 around the $20 on 2020, right? 2022, yeah. And after they go down to, yeah, 0.30 and 2 BTC and go to hit the 0.30 and 4, and now, yeah, now 0.40 and 4, yeah, that means you can buy on this here 2020 2021 or 2021 when it listing in the Binance, and it's now 0.40 right, 0.40 and go to hit the 0.40 and it's here, and the next the next I'm seeing that this is the okay, it will go to hit the 0.30 and 1 again on this here, resistance 1 and resistance 2, it will go to hit the 0.30 and 16 of 17, right? And when go to hit this resistance 1, it will go to hit the resistance 2, 0.30 and 1 or 30 and 17, right? And after that, when the Bitcoin is going to hit around the 4,000 or 5,000 per 1 BTC, it will, the near protocol will go to hit the 0.30 and 2 or 3, right? And I think that a lot of holder they start holdings with the real project, because they hope that they can get around the 1,000% or 10,000% with the real project. Is the economic is recovery, or is the Bitcoin is recovery from the 30,000 and until to the 50 or 60,000 per 1 BTC, the Rcoin will go to hit the resistance 1, resistance 2 and resistance 3 is very fast, right? And if you see, if you want to check all information about the SNIR protocol, you can go to the rank on the number 36, and you can see here on this market 1 billion, right? And on the volume trading around the 24 hour, it 200 millions, it 200 million, total supply is 1 billion of SNIR coin, and however the Bitcoin is crossed around the 1 year or 2 years already, but I'm seeing that a lot of holder they hope the BTC will recover price very fast from the 30,000 right now, and until go to hit the 60 or 70,000 dollar again, right? And in the crypto bubble today, it start increase to 10%. It already is with the SNIR coin, right? And it helpful reason for check it out with this project. It listing on the Binance, and listing on the first page in CoinMarketCap it already, right? In the listing in the CoinMarketCap it already, and it has a lot of exchange, right? Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Kraken, and a lot of exchange. You have full. I'm seeing that holder start is check it out with this project, right? Do not recommend, but you can check it out by yourself. And before you decide investing with the cryptocurrency, studying about the cryptocurrency every day. It can help you for find the real coin for holding, for trading, or for investing in the cryptocurrency. And don't forget subscribe to my channel for more video in the cryptocurrency every day. Right? Thank you guys for watching my video.